Hello guys, welcome back. So join me, let's make this beautiful DIY wreath for Christmas decoration. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe. And when you do, after watching this video, please leave a comment, like, and you can also share the video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. So let's get started. Now to make this wreath, you're going to be needing a carton, scissors, and a bowl plate, something round. You can use anything you would like to use, glue gun, and a pair of razor blade. Then most importantly, our tissue. So to get started, or to start with, we are going to be drawing a round circle. I just realized that that plate is too big, so I decided to use the cover of my pot because this is smaller. So I went on to draw a circle using the cover of the pot. I drew that round. So now I'm done drawing the first circle. To get the second one, I'm going to be using my tape. I'll place my tape on the first circle and mark 3 inches all the way around, like so. And now I went on to make the markings to be very bold using my pen, just to make it bold enough for you to see. As you can see, I'm done. So I'll just go ahead to use my eraser to trace out the circles. I traced out the first one, now the second one, and now our real or the main circle is ready. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to go ahead and prepare our the rose like stuffs we are going to be using to make the wreath with our tissue. So I'm going to be cutting the tissue in 3 rows, just like that. And after that, you pick it up, fold it up just like you would want to make a bow, or pleat it. Let me use the word pleat. Pleat is like so. Now after pleating, you go ahead and use your rope to tie it. Make sure you tie it in the middle, and secondly, do not make it to be very tight, just loosely tight, so you'll be able to make the rows. And now that I'm done tying it, I'll go ahead to pick it up, and then pick up or take out the first row, separate it from the others. Do that all the way around, just like so. You have to be very gentle because this is tissue. It might just, cut if you're not gentle. So I'll go ahead to separate that. After the first one, I'll pick up the second one like that. And after the second one, then the last one, I'll just go ahead and fix it like that. So now our rose is ready. I'll go ahead and do as plenty as I need for the wreath. So the next thing we're going to do is to cut our bow. I'm using this thick fabric. I think you can even use a cardboard paper. Now the first thing I did was to go ahead and mark out 5 inches. You can, sorry, 5.5 inches. Now the fabric is placed on 2 folds. So from this end, I went to mark out 1.5 inch, and then from there, from that mark, I marked out to 1 inch. Then from that 1 inch mark, I marked out 1.5 inch again. So in all, I think we have about 4.5 inches there. 1.5, no, sorry, 4 inches. So the middle one, where we marked 1 inch, I'll just come down by 1 inch again. Then I'll join the line. I'll draw that line like so. Then join the upper lines too. So go ahead to draw the bow now. Now that I'm done drawing, I'll just go ahead and cut out the bow. So I've cut it out. I went on to cut the second one because we are going to be needing two. So this is two now. Now for the bow tail, I'm going to just cut out 2 inches. As you can see, the fabric is on fold, and then I'll go ahead and mark out 2 inches all the way and cut it out too. Please just watch closely and see how I'm going to create that design for the bow tail. I went on to divide that into two. I marked that the points, and then from there I drew a line downwards, and I'll go ahead to cut it out. Remember, this fabric is folded into two. Now I'm done. The design is ready now, or the bow tail is ready. So now go ahead to prepare the bow at once. Using our glue gun, I'll just go ahead to fix them up just like so. Now we're done with that. So to place the roses on the carton, we're going to be using our glue gun again. Just attach some glue and then place it on the carton. You're going to do that all the way around until you have a very full carton filled with, or you have a carton filled with roses. So now we're done. I'll just go ahead and place my bow, and now that's it.